हेलो एवरीवन। मेरे साथ एक शॉपिंग स्कैम हुआ है। इसमें मैंने 1200 रुपये के ऑर्डर के लिए अपने 10,000 रुपये गंवा दिए, इवन दो इट वॉज फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेल नोन ब्रांड नेम।
Hello guys, my name is Neha and I request you to kindly do not skip this video. It's very important.
You think you are safe shopping online, but are you? I got scammed right after placing an order from. Here's exactly how it happened, what you need to take care of, and most importantly, what official steps you have to take if this happens to you. So I ordered, got my order confirmation, and everything looked fine. 2 days later, I got a call. The person sounded official and had my order information and told me my payment was frozen. I have to pay it again and I'll get a refund in 24 to 48 hours. They sent actual UPI ID, no ask for OTP. I paid 1,200. Then suddenly confusion. Ma'am, you paid 1,200.02, not 1,200.20. And the caller started brushing me, saying my parcel wouldn't be delivered. What followed was a series of pressure tactics. Next, they tried to make me pay rupees 40,000 using a code. I wasn't carrying that much in my account, so they dropped to rupees 24,000 and finally ended up scamming rupees 10,000 out of me. I realized too late my trust had been exploited and I had been scammed. First, fake call, WhatsApp, SMS claiming to be from a real brand. Second, scammer knows your order and name, via data leak, fake portal. Third, you are sent to a fake website offering unbelievable discounts, a deal you just can't resist. Fourth, you pay for the discounted product but never receive the order. Fifth, urgency created, payment error, refund, parcel stuck. Sixth, payment requested via UPI, no OTPs, no links, sometimes using official UPI IDs. Seventh, pressure for repeated final payments. 8. Money gone, no parcel, refund, scammer vanishes. Remember, real brands never push for UPI payments on call. Recent reports estimate over 7,500 online shopping scam victims are reported every month in India, and many more cases go unnoticed or unreported. Here's another story from one of the victims. In this video, a woman was scammed out of rupees 37,220 after ordering a lehenga from a fake Instagram profile. She ended up losing the entire amount through the fake deposit demands and other tricks. Calls from people who know your name and order details. Requests for repeated payments using UPI, no OTP, urgent language. Parcel stuck, refund promise. Making you feel your delivery is at risk or your money is almost back. Pressure to pay quickly, confusing number, constant follow-up calls. First, don't panic, stop further payments immediately. Brand platform. Go to the official brand app or website, use their customer support, official email, verified number, never use numbers from Google. Cybercrime Police. First, visit the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal, cybercrime.gov.in. Second, click File a Complaint, fill in your details, select Financial Fraud or Online Shopping Scam. Then, upload your screenshots, transaction IDs, and call history if required. Third, you will get an acknowledgement number for follow-up. Contact your bank's customer care or branch. Tell them exactly what happened. Request to freeze or reverse suspicious UPI transactions. Fourth, UPI app. Use the raise complaint feature for the specific transaction within your payment app, Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, Beam. These creates a paper trail and sometimes triggers instant investigation. Go to your local police station, lodge an FIR, describe the incident, UPI IDs, details of the scam call, and financial loss. Save acknowledgement numbers, follow up with your bank and cyber cells regularly for updates. Security steps to prevent future scams. Set low transaction limits on UPI, enable payment and login alerts. Never trust any payment or refund calls, always connect with brands through verified sites. Every minute, someone is targeted by online shopping scams in India. Jamtara, Bihar became India's scam hotspot when call centers there used to leak data, to trick thousands into paying for fake refunds and parcels. Police cracked down, and their story even inspired a Netflix series, but these scams haven't stopped. If scams can start in Jamtara, reach all over India, it can easily reach to anyone. If it happens to you, act fast, report to your bank, UPI apps, and file a complaint on cybercrime.gov.in. Learn from my story, trust only official channels, and never rush into payments. Share your experience in the comment section to help others stay alert. Stay smart, stay safe, and always double check before you pay.